And now, this is NCTA.
Hi everyone, I'm Sierra Kingsbury from Smith Center, Kansas, and I'm a second-year agricultural education major here at the Nebraska College of Technical Agriculture in Curtis. My passion for teaching started long before college. Growing up in my family's mechanic shop taught me the value of technical skills, problem solving, and agriculture, and those early experiences shaped my SAE project and my career goals. My FFA advisor, Monica Wagner, guided that spark and encouraged me all the way to earning my American degree this fall. College at NCTA has been the perfect next step. Every elective here is agriculture focused, which makes this program incredibly beneficial for future ag teachers like me. My classes include animal science, agronomy, ag mechanics, agribusiness, and vet science. All subjects I'll one day teach in my own classroom. I'm also involved in Ag Mechanics Club, Phi Theta Kappa, intramural sports, and the Student Senate. What I love most is the supportive atmosphere. Professors know us by name, and hands-on learning happens every day. After graduating, I plan to transfer to UNL to complete my bachelor's degree in agricultural education. My goal is to become the kind of teacher who inspires others, just like my advisor inspired me. As a student from Kansas, one-rate tuition made NCTA possible. That affordability lets me focus on becoming the educator I want to be without unnecessary debt. If you're a high school senior exploring your next step, I encourage you to apply and schedule a campus visit. Seeing NCTA in person makes all the difference. Visit ncta.unl.edu. Now, let's get to work.